Hey everyone, Mr. Schultz here as we dive into simplifying expressions with rational exponents. So, remember our rules. We don't want any negative exponents, and we want to simplify the index number as much as possible, and we don't want any complex fractions. So, let's go over the first one right here. So, remember if we had x squared times x to the first, that's equal to x to the third. Remember that, okay? That's important. So if I have x to the 2/3 times x to the 1/6, that's really equal to x to the 2/3 plus 1/6. And I can actually convert this into 4/6 right here. So I can cancel this out right now. So I should be left with x to the 5/6. And we're done. That's it. Remember, if we're multiplying the whole term to the other term and they're the same term, we're going to add the exponents or the powers. And we did. That's it. We're done. Now, if I wanted to, I'd probably, we don't have to do it, but like, you know, this would be x to the fifth to this, sixth root of x to the fifth. But, that we're not asking for that. We're just saying, hey, simplify this for us. Keep it as, rational exponent. All right, well, let's go on. I have y to the negative 2/3. So straight off the bat, I know I'm going to have y to the 2/3 right there. And I'm going to see that, hey, I don't want this guy downstairs, this y to the 2/3. So how much to make sure that I do not have that? Well, I want to have a whole number right here. So 2/3 plus what equals 1? 1/3. So I'm going to multiply by y to the 1/3 over y to the 1/3. So that's going to give us y to the 3/3 under y to the 1/3. What happens here? Well, this will equal y to the 1/3 over y. I don't want that guy underneath right there. I want the more complex stuff on top right there, okay? All right, let's go on to the next part. So remember, we're adding them. So I'm going to see that this will become z. Before I do anything, I know that I can add these. I don't want to move anyone up or down yet. Negative 1/3 plus 3/4. Well, I know that I can multiply 4 and multiply by 3 over 3, 4 over 4 and 3 over 3. So if I do that, I should get numbers that I can actually add together. Because I want z to the negative 4/12 plus 9/12. The 12th is my unit of measurement right here. This is my unit of measurement. And if I add these together, I should get z 9 minus 4 is 5/12. And we're done. That's it. We're just combining them. And we are done. We have simplified. There's no exponents that are not positive integers in the denominator. So that was this one right here. We didn't want this y to the 2/3. We only wanted y to the first power or 2 or 3. We don't want non-positive integers downstairs. And so this guy is done. This is it. It's just z to the 5/12. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in class. Bye.